Have you ever wondered what makes the machines in your local workshop run smoothly? Or what kind of steel is used to make those essential machine parts? Well, today we're going to shed some light on one of the most popular steel grades in the industry, 1141 steel. Specifically, we'll be focusing on the 1141 steel round bar. 1141 steel is known for its excellent machinability, high strength, and great wear resistance. This makes it a popular choice for manufacturing a variety of machine parts, such as axles, bolts, couplings, and more. 1141 steel is also frequently used in the automotive industry, as well as in the construction of farming and mining equipment. At Advanced Grinding, we specialize in the production of centerless ground, 1141 steel bars. Our centerless grinding machines and skilled technicians ensure that our customers receive only the highest quality 1141 steel round bars that meet their exact specification. So if you're looking for precision ground 1141 steel round bars for your next project, look no further than Advanced Grinding. Trust us to provide you with the quality and reliability that you need to take your business to the next level.